Irrigation controllers are often located inside the garage or on the side of your house. Your irrigation controller probably looks something like this. Hopefully you kept the instruction manual that came with the system. If so, have it in hand when you check the irrigation controller. You can review the settings and make changes as needed. The instructions are often on the inside panel. If you don't have the instruction manual but know how to operate the irrigation controller, continue with the steps that follow. Otherwise, you may need the assistance of your landscape professional or someone familiar with the controller. First, check the current settings. How long do the water cycles run, and how many cycles are they set for? Under most conditions, it's good to run the sprinklers for 5 to 7 minutes, and then repeat the cycle one more time. This might vary slightly depending on the needs of your yard. And leaving a half hour between cycles allows the water to soak in. Running a cycle for too long can lead to runoff, which means your water and your money are just running away. Now check the clock on your irrigation controller. Is the time accurate? If not, reset it. Then check to see what time the cycles are scheduled to begin. Running them during daylight hours exposes the water to wasteful evaporation, but running them in the middle of the night could lead to mildew. The best time to run your sprinklers is around 5 a.m. or about an hour before sunrise. The water will have a chance to soak in, but won't stand long enough to cause mildew. The length of your watering cycle and the number of cycles you run each morning may vary according to the seasons and the types of plants being watered. Always test your watering cycle and make necessary adjustments. Remember to change your controller according to the season's time change, and make sure your sprinkler system is set to off when it is raining. How much water could these tips save? A lot. If you were to run your watering cycle on just one sunny, windy day, you could waste 300 gallons of water each time. Another way to maximize the efficiency of your irrigation is to have a smart timer irrigation controller installed. This is a device that takes all the guesswork out of watering your lawn and garden. It has sensors that read moisture levels and can automatically adjust your sprinkler control settings to match the conditions. The Cucamonga Valley Water District offers rebates for residents who install a smart timer because we know how effective it can be at saving water. For more information on the smart timer, you can go to our website at www.cvwdwater.com or contact your local garden store or irrigation supply outlet. Smart timers cost between $150 and $600, but with the rebate and the money you save on your water bill, it can make a lot of sense. For accurate water settings, make sure each watering zone is set on a separate station on your irrigation controller. For example, the sprinklers that water your lawn should not also be watering your roses. Once you have all the stations on your irrigation controller properly set, it's time to do a visual inspection of each watering zone in your yard. By switching your irrigation controller from automatic to manual, you can run each station individually. Let's do that now. We've set it on manual, so let's turn on the first station and take a look at what it's actually doing. These are the sprinklers controlled by Station 1. Check every sprinkler head for cracks and leaks. Is the spray too low or too high? If your sprinkler appears to be misting, your water pressure is too high, and you will need to adjust it on your house main water line. On many sprinkler heads, you can adjust this with a small screwdriver. Turn the flathead screw clockwise and the spray area shrinks. Turn it counterclockwise and the spray area grows. Some sprinkler heads spray in all directions, a full circle, while others send out a narrow spray, just a quarter or half a circle. Make sure your directional sprinkler heads are pointing in the direction you want. Many can be adjusted by turning them gently with your hand. You don't want sprinklers watering your sidewalks.